Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Sous Vide chicken. Alright guys, I'm going to start out by showing you my Instant Pot. This is the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It has a sous vide button. Now I already have this on, it's preheated. I put hot tap water and turned it on. It took a few minutes because the water is pretty hot. Now I'll cancel this and start over for you guys. Now what it is, I filled my pot halfway full with hot water. My Instant Pot came with a nice slow cooker sous vide lid. If yours doesn't, you can put your regular pressure lid on. Just leave the valve on the steam open, so it doesn't build up any pressure from the heat of the water. Now I'm going to go ahead and push my sous vide button. I already had it set at 165. That's the temperature for chicken. And you can adjust the temperature up and down. Now that'll turn on. It's already up to temperature like I said. Alright guys, I'm starting out here at 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I trimmed off the excess fat. Now I'm only using 4 because a whole chicken breast is a lot for one person. I'm going to get like 2 servings out of a breast. Normally I would cut them in half and make 2 thinner ones, but for this I'm leaving them whole. I'm going to start by spraying them off with, or spraying them down with some cooking spray, vegetable spray. And I have seasoning here. This is from the Dollar Tree. This here is turkey seasoning. Has all your good traditional poultry seasonings in there. I'm just going to put that on there, guys. And the reason I put the spray on there is to help hold the spice on the chicken. Now I'm going to turn these over and I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to spray them with some cooking spray and I'm going to season them. Alright guys, now that my chicken's all seasoned, I'm going to take some freezer Ziploc bags and I'm going to put 2 chicken breasts in each bag. And I'm going to stand them up in there like so. Dexter's upset because I'm cooking chicken. I'm going to squeeze as much air out as I possibly can. There's also a method where you put this down in the water and seal it as you're putting it in water to get the air out, but I'm not worried about that, guys. And I'm just going to seal these up. And guys, you can use vacuum seal bags for this, but the sous vide doesn't really cook that hot where it will melt through these freezer bags, and these are a lot more economical and easier to work with than to vacuum seal your chicken in a bag. Okay, now that I have my chicken all sealed in the bags, we're going to get that down into the Instant Pot. And like I said, I have my water set at 165 degrees. Now guys, with this type of cooking you have to be patient because it's going to take a little while. So let me push my chicken down in there. It's going to take a little while, so I'm going to let these go for about 2.5 hours. That's why I put them on early enough in the day to plan ahead. So we're going to allow them to sous vide, and once they reach 165 degrees internally, we'll pull them out and we'll move on to the next step. Alright guys, my chicken's done in the pressure cooker. I left it sous vide for about 3 hours. It really doesn't matter how long you leave it in there, because once it hits the temperature you set the pressure cooker at, which was 165, it won't get any warmer or anything like that. And it has a lot of juice in here that the chicken rendered off. It's going to be really tender and delicious. Now, I have a griddle pan here warming up. I'm going to move my chicken over here so the bag doesn't melt open and spill everywhere. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on my griddle pan. I turned it down a little bit because this is cast iron and that stuff really holds the heat. And I'm going to get my chicken on here and we're going to grill it on both sides. Get them nice grill marks on there that everybody loves. Let me turn my heat down a little bit, guys. This is smoking hot. Alright guys, my chicken's done. You can see it has those nice grill marks on it. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some corn and home fries to go with this. Let me get in here and try this chicken. And guys, that's nice and tender. You can see it's juicy. That's really good. Then that turkey seasoning I put on it has all them good flavors that go good with poultry. That's really delicious, guys. If you've never sous vide cooked before, you really should look into it because it's a really delicious way to cook. Now, another way you could probably do that is put your bag in your slow cooker on low and leave it in there for probably about 6 or 8 hours, and that would sous vide cook it, you know, in water in your slow cooker. That would be another way to do it. Alright guys, there you have it. Instant Pot Sous Vide Chicken. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.